Hey guys, welcome to vdchacademy.com, and here in this presentation we are going to discuss about cuboid. So now let me explain this concept using a rough diagram over here. So here there is a simple closed figure in which all the sides including the base is in the form of a rectangle. So such figure is called as a cuboid. And we already discussed in our previous videos that is lateral surfaces which are said to be side portions are 4 in the case of cuboid, and the total surfaces are 6. And then coming to the area of base of the prism, so here base is in the form of rectangle, and we already know that area of rectangle is given by the formula length into breadth. So the area of base of cuboid will be equal to L into B. And then coming to the lateral surface area, so lateral surface area of cuboid can be calculated by just multiplying perimeter of the base of cuboid into its height. So here cuboid includes length, breadth and height. And then coming to perimeter of base of cuboid. So perimeter of base of cuboid will be equal to perimeter of rectangle, which is given by the formula 2 times of L plus B. So here we get 2 times of L plus B into the height h. So here we get the lateral surface area of cuboid as 2 times of L plus B into h square units. And then coming to total surface area. So total surface area will include the lateral surface area plus 2 times of area of the base of cuboid. So here by substituting the values of both the lateral surface area and the area of base, we get here 2h into L plus B plus 2 times of L into B. And here by simplifying, we get 2 into LH plus BH plus 2 into LB. And here writing 2 as a common factor, we get 2 times of LB plus BH plus HL square units. So here we get total surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 times of LB plus BH plus HL square units. And whereas lateral surface area of cuboid is given by the formula 2 times of L plus B into the height h square units, and the area of base is given by the formula length into breadth. And then coming to the volume of cuboid. So volume of cuboid includes the areas of all the surfaces and also the amount of space contained in it. So volume is given by just multiplying the length, breadth and the height. So we get the formula as volume of cuboid is equal to L into B into h cubic units. And now let us discuss few examples on these formulas. So here given example is if the volume of cuboid is equal to 1200 centimeters cube and the length of the cuboid is equal to 15 centimeters whereas breadth is equal to 10 centimeters, then find height. So we already discussed the formula to find the volume, which is V equal to length into breadth into height, which is to be equated to the given volume 1200. And then substituting the values of L and B in the formula, we get here 15 into 10 and the height h remains the same, which is equal to 1200. And here by multiplying, we get 150 into h, which is equated to 1200, and in order to get the value of h, transferring 150 to the right hand side, we get h equal to 1200 divided by 150. And here by simplifying, we get 150 one time is 150 and 150 8 times is 1200. So here we get height equal to 8 centimeters. And then coming to the next example. So here given example is if the length is equal to 20 centimeters whereas breadth is equal to 16 centimeters and the height is equal to 12 centimeters, then find volume, total surface area and lateral surface area. So first let us find the lateral surface area. And here we already know that lateral surface area of the cuboid is given by the formula 2h into L plus B. And then substituting the values of L, B and h in the formula, we get here 2 into height h, that is 12, into L plus B, that is 20 plus 16, which is 36 here. So here by multiplying all the terms, we get the product over here as 864 square centimeters as the lateral surface area. And then coming to the total surface area. So total surface area of cuboid is given by the formula 2 times of LB plus BH plus HL, and then substituting all the values in the formula, we get 2 times of L into B, that is 20 into 16, which is 320, plus B into H, that is 16 into 12, which is 192, plus HL, that is 12 into 20, which is 240. So that implies we get here 2 into 752, which is the sum of these terms. And here by multiplying, we get the product as 1504 centimeters square as the total surface area. And then coming to the volume. So volume of cuboid is given by the formula length into breadth into height. So substituting all the values of L, B and H in the formula, we get 20 into 16 into 12. So that implies we get the product over here as 3840 centimeters cube. So make a note of the formulas, that is lateral surface area of cuboid is given by the formula 2H into L plus B, and whereas total surface area is given by the formula 2 times of LB plus BH plus HL, and the volume of cuboid is given by the formula length into breadth into height cubic units. So this was a basic introduction on cuboid. Hope you understood the concept. Do like and subscribe to vteachacademy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.